Welcome to ExpertWorks, a leading cloud-based e-learning platform. The Expert way of learning gives flexibility to learn the course at your own pace and convenience. Our goal is to enhance your learning experience with greater efficiency. In this course, you are going to learn UiPath. UiPath is a leading robotic process automation vendor providing a complete software platform to help organizations efficiently automate business processes. As per Gartner, UiPath grew in RPA market share from 4% to 24% in 2 years to become a number one RPA platform. ExpertWorks has custom designed a self-paced UiPath course with real-time content, which helps you position yourself better in this highly competitive industry. Let's see more details about the course in the following animation video.
UiPath develops a platform for robotic process automation and contributing a lot to the digital world. It has helped companies adopt digital strategies faster and improving the way employees work through the power of automation. Robotic process automation offers a lot of benefits like improved efficiency, cost reduction, and greater accuracy. RPA is being used by almost all industries. The IT professionals depend on RPA to monitor network devices and deploy applications. RPA is used in the finance and accounting department to streamline data entry time and eliminate human errors. It helps simplify the workflow for the sales teams and business process outsources. UiPath offers user-friendly software for content migration, web scraping, process automation, GUI testing, and many others.
Hope you have a great time going forward. Never stop learning.